A Journey to Comparison. Mastering Comparative Adjectives. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into a very important topic under the broad umbrella of adjectives, the comparative degree. This concept is central to everyday communication, and mastering it can greatly enhance your English language skills. Comparative adjectives, as the name suggests, are used to compare two things, people, or states. They allow us to make clear comparisons, highlighting differences or similarities between two entities. If you have a smaller apple and a bigger apple, you would say, the big apple is larger than the small apple. Here, larger is a comparative adjective, comparing the size of the two apples. Forming comparative adjectives is typically straightforward. For most one-syllable adjectives, simply add "er" to the end. For example, fast becomes faster, big becomes bigger. But, for most two-syllable or more adjectives, we add the word more before the adjective. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful, interesting becomes more interesting. There are also some irregular comparative adjectives where the entire word changes. For instance, good becomes better, and bad becomes worse. It's time to put this knowledge into practice. The most common structure is subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus then plus object. Comparison. For instance, John runs faster than Mark. Here, faster is the comparative adjective used to compare the speed of John and Mark. Be cautious while using comparative adjectives. A common error is the double comparison. It's incorrect to say, more smarter, or more bigger. It should simply be, smarter, or bigger. Remember, don't use more with adjectives ending in er. And when using more, the adjective doesn't change its form. And there you have it, a crash course on comparative adjectives. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these rules. Keep trying to use them in your everyday conversations and written English. We hope this video was helpful and you're now more comfortable using comparative adjectives. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of English grammar. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.